Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. I don't know why students are not joining. They have not got free from the break, I guess. Still they're having their breakfast.
Ma'am, who is this Shivani?
Beta she's Shivani ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, take out your English comprehension books only. Let's complete that chapter. And tomorrow we are going to do English creative writing because we are using this English creative period for English comprehension. Tomorrow we have 2 periods, so we'll be using them in English creative writing.
So, ma'am, in this period, we will do English comprehension.
Yes, let's complete that chapter, no? The shoemaker and the elves. We were on exercise B. So have you found out all the words from the chapter that mean the same? We had talked about shown, very happy, and good luck. What is the word for scared that is given in the story? What is the word for scared? Hurry up and find out, both of you.
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling of it?
Spelling of what?
Ma'am, did you said the word?
Scared. Don't you have the book, beta? You have your English comprehension book?
Yes, ma'am.
Then see the word from there because you have to write the meaning also. You have to write the word with similar meaning to it in front of it.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Beta, we were doing exercise B. Exercise B of the shoemaker and the elves. I think I should write each and everything. Then only you people remember.
Yes, ma'am, we find and we have to tell the meaning of that word.
So you have to find a word from the chapter that has similar meaning to that word. You don't have to find any meaning. You have to find a word with similar meaning. What is the page number? Tell me. What is the page number where this exercise is given? 72. Page number 72. Exercise.
Ma'am,
The first word
ma'am,
was, yes.
show.
और बस हो गया और नहीं है ना mute yourself. ज़्यादा नहीं खाते हैं. Okay. The first word was shown. The meaning gleamed. The second word is very happy. What is the similar word to it in the chapter?
Enjoy.
Overjoyed. Okay. Then the third word is good luck. Similar kind of a word, that was fortune.
Fortune.
Then the fourth word is scared. Now, what is the meaning of scared? Hurry up. Find a word similar to scared in the chapter. It is a very easy one. You shouldn't take time.
Ma'am, in Made by Mary, what is the meaning of this word? I cannot
Which
understand, ma'am. Made
Which
by
word?
ma'am, I think seventh one.
What is the word?
Ma'am, Made Mary.
Made merry is like happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Made
No,
merry.
ma'am.
Something that rejoiced. It can be rejoiced. They danced and sang and rejoiced and clapped their hands. So made merry is rejoiced.
So,
But-
ma'am, is it glue? What is glue?
What glue?
Ma'am, what is fourth one?
Scared? Now you tell me no. Find out the meaning. Find out from the story. Why do you
morning, ma'am.
depend
Sorry
on
for
me for
being
every
late.
answer?
Battery problem, ma'am. There was. Ma'am, what we are doing?
The same exercise that we left. See, it is written so clearly here what we are doing.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, what word is the similar meaning to scared in the story? Tell.
Ma'am, what?
Shish, how
I'm
do you say
scared.
it? Huh? Scared. What
Ma'am,
word
please
have you
wait.
written for scared?
Okay, ma'am. Please wait. I'm saying. Ma'am, frightened.
Yes. Children, you could not find this such simple word. Huh? Frightened. Rishabh, Pratyaksh, Devansh, Sarthak, this is not expected from you, children. Being afraid. What is scared? Scared is to be afraid of something. To get frightened.
And ma'am, it was written where? How can we thank them? Asked. Sorry, ma'am. Yes, asked Gopi. If we step out and try to talk them, they might be frightened and run away.
They might get frightened and run away. The next word is clothes. What is the word for clothes?
Ma'am, garment.
Ma'am, garments.
Garment. I want everyone to answer. You're not going to sit quiet in the class. Just waiting for the teacher to write the answers so that you can copy them down. Then put on.
Don't.
Don't, ma'am.
Very good. The next word. What is the
Ma'am, rejoiced.
very
Rejoiced.
Made very rejoiced.
made merry, something that makes you happy. You rejoice when you feel happy about something. Rejoice. Then
Ma'am, the next word is ragged. Shabby.
Rag.
Ma'am,
Rag.
Wrapped. Very nice. Okay. The next exercise. Answer these questions. What did Gopi do with the money he got for the first pair of shoes?
Ma'am, can
Now,
I
who will answer? Raise your hand. When they sold out their first pair of shoe, what did Gopi do with that money? Who will tell? Only Shirish can answer this question. No one else can. Okay, children, if you want to answer it in Hindi, you can answer in Hindi also. I'll help you out in framing it in English. Anyone knows the answer in Hindi? That means you have not understood the story. Everybody, first of all, open your cameras now. I'm not going to teach. Everybody open your camera.
Can I tell now?
Juvraj, Pratyaksh, Sarthak, Mishti, Athar, and Kanishka. I'm going to remove you from the class if you're not opening your cameras.
But ma'am,
I don't mind taking the class just with 2 or 3 students who can actually listen
Ma'am,
to instructions. Yes.
ma'am, my camera is open.
Now it is open, Yuvraj. After I'm shouting, so it's open. Earlier it wasn't.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, when you say to open, I opened.
Athar and Mishti. Beta, I don't mind removing both of you from the class. Kanishka has given me her reason why she cannot open the camera. If you continue to behave like this, you are going to be removed from the class. Okay, let's start with Athar. I'm going to remove Athar first. And then Mishti, it's your
Ma'am,
turn.
Ma'am, Atharv has opened his camera.
Athar's camera is open?
Yes, ma'am, I can see him on my screen.
I don't know.
Ma'am.
It's blank on my screen. And Mishti, why can't you open your camera? I'll talk to your mother or your father today.
Ma'am, my camera is on, Rishabh camera is on, Yuvraj camera is on, Pratik's camera is on, Sarthak camera is on, ma'am, Atharv camera is on.
Good. Mishti has left herself because I told her that I'll be talking to her parents. It's better not to attend the class if you don't wish to attend it. Okay. Now who will answer? Shirish, you were saying that you will answer this question.
Yeah. Gopi go to the market and buy some food and leather to make 2 more pairs of shoes.
Very good. What did Gopi do with the money he got? Gopi went to the market. Not go to the market. Gopi went to the market to buy some food, and he also bought some leather to make more pairs of shoes. Everybody write it down. And if you're not...
And ma'am, in the second question, ma'am, about which night they're talking about. Ma'am, at the night they find out that the elves were working, or the night,
Beta, let me read the question. What did Gopi and his wife see in the workroom that night? Yes, they saw the elves. That night means the night they hid themselves behind the curtains. Otherwise, every morning they were coming to their workshop and seeing what? The shoes. So by night, they mean when they hid themselves in the workshop, what did they see? Beta, written the first answer. If anyone needs any help, then please tell me, raise your hand. I'm going to help you out in writing the answer. All of you will send the work on the class group so that I can do the corrections also.
Ma'am, done.
Very good, Yuvraj. Now, next question. What did Gopi and his wife see in the workroom that night? They saw, what did they see? So we'll say Gopi and his wife saw. Who will answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, Yuvraj.
Gopi and his wife saw the beautiful pair of shoes laying on the table.
But beta, that was next morning. They saw the pair of shoes. The question is, what did they see that night? See, read out in the story about the night also it is mentioned what they saw.
Ma'am, can I Padya?
Yes, Pratyaksh.
Gopi and his wife watched the elves donned their new clothes.
Okay, I'm still not happy with this answer.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shirsh.
Gopi and his wife saw elves were were, were stitching, nailing, coloring, and polishing the shoe all night. And after the work, they scrambled off.
Yes.
I mean, they just go to their home.
Yes, they ran off. We can simply use they ran.
They ran off.
Ran away. So what they saw, beta, that night they saw some elves working in their workshop, which was quite magical for them. Yes, every morning they were wondering where are these shoes coming from. So they hid behind. One night they decided to hide themselves in the workroom, and what they saw that night, they saw some elves working for them and making beautiful pairs of shoes for them. Okay, I hope you all will be able to write it.
Ma'am, what is the answer to? Shoes. Ma'am, done.
What did Gopi and his wife see in the workroom that night? Gopi and his wife saw some elves working for them in the workroom that night. Did they see
So,
the
ma'am,
elves?
we will write ran off.
No, don't write this. What they saw. We are just talking about what they saw. We are not giving the whole explanation. Then what happened? The question is what they saw in the workroom that night. So they saw some elves working or making shoes in the workroom that night.
Making shoes at night.
Ma'am, I only write answers on my own. Or someone
Ma'am,
else also write.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I was just thinking only I write all the answers on my own, or somebody else also write.
Beta, see, like all students have different capacities. Some need a little help to write. Yes, they need little outline. Some can frame the answers themselves. So it's about their capacities. Every child is having different capacities of writing. Now in class 4C, can you believe there are students in class 4C who do not need any answer? They will just go on speaking themselves.
Yes, ma'am, that's why I hate the combined classes with them, ma'am, because in that class my head just start paining.
Yes.
There's that much noise.
Children speak so much that I actually have to mute them in that class.
So my answer is Gopi and his wife saw elves were stitching, nailing, coloring and polishing the shoes.
Okay, correct. This is also correct. Yes, Rishabh, what have you to say?
Ma'am, I am saying that when I was in second class, our teacher has also shown an video of this story.
Yes, I have also seen the video of this story somewhere. I'm not being able to recall where, but off lately I have seen it.
Ma'am, can you show us the story?
Hmm. Okay, let's just hurry up quickly, do finish off the question answers, and then I'll try to show you.
Mendel.
Okay, what is the next question? Who will read out?
What did Gopi and his wife plan to do for the elves? Why? Ma'am, the Gopi and his wife has do the plan that they will make the clothes for elves and they will put it in their house, work house, and they run away.
Okay, good. But listen to it. Gopi and his wife planned to stitch beautiful clothes for the elves because their clothes were torn. The question says why. So for that why we have to answer because they were dressed up very shabbily or they were dressed up in torn clothes. Yes, that is why Gopi and his wife decided to make beautiful clothes for them and leave the clothes in the workroom. Isn't it?
Beautiful DI dresses for elves because their clothes was torn. Ma'am done. Ma'am done. Ma'am done. Ma'am done.
Okay, now everybody click picture and send it on the class group. Let me just go through your answers.
Ma'am send.
Okay, till the time I'll check your answers on page number 74. See, read out a question, think and answer. Now you have to make these dialogues. Till the time I am doing correction, you will do this question. Read it carefully and start doing it. Okay? You just have to imagine the conversation between Gopi, his wife, and the elves, and write down a few dialogues that you think that they would have talked. Okay, Yuvraj. Beta, your one answer is not correct. Where is Yuvraj? Okay, he's there. Your one answer is not correct. You may please see from Shir's work and correct that answer. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Rishabh, the spelling of ragged is wrong. Make it correct. RAGGED.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
ma'am, is my
Ma'am,
last answer correct?
Wait, I'll read it again, but it was correct according to me.
Okay.
and ma'am, of my rest, all are correct.
I'm going through your work, beta. Just give me a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the spelling of tone? Their clothes were tone. The spelling is TORN, not TONE. Tone is the tone in which you talk. Soft tone, harsh tone. And tone, fatawa is TORN.
Okay, ma'am. So,
Yes, Shirsh, your last answer is absolutely correct, beta. Very nice. Pratyaksh, beta, why can't I open your work that you have sent? It is not being opened.
Ma'am, by mistake, it has been sent by viewed once.
Okay, send it normally. Now, children, again we have a class together. Yes, that is going to be our CT lecture.
Ma'am, in that lecture, we will watch the story.
Okay, okay, we'll watch.
Ma'am, when is that CT class?
Just the next class.
Ma'am, it was Palak ma'am's.
With Palak ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Palak ma'am sent the link.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
see.
Timetable, you have your classes there, but Palak ma'am has also sent the link.
Today is not Monday. Your timetable is old?
What?
Ma'am, let me check my.
Ma'am, I have checked after this class there is CT lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, it's my lecture only. It is not Palak ma'am's lecture. Have you thought of a few dialogues between elves and Gopi and his wife?
Yes, ma'am. I am just writing. I am on the last few.
Okay.
Ma'am, in CT lecture, can we make drawings?
First, we'll watch this story, The Shoemaker and the Elves, and then we are going to do something.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Shirish, read it out.
Gopi, hello. So you have been helping us all this while. My wife and I want to thank you. F1. Oh, hello. You are most welcome. Gopi, how about the clothes? Did you like that? Yes. Elf 2. Yes. Elf 2. Thanks for making clothes and shoes, cause it hurts while going home as there were many sharp rocks and our old shoes were torn. Elf 1. I agree, it hurts. Elf 1. But thanks to you, Gopi. Elf Gopi's wife. I have I have I have chosen red as in many tales they have shown people like you wearing red clothes. Alpha, yes,
Even ma'am.
red is a uniform color. Bye, Gopi, because it's almost morning. Gopi, bye. And because I have also seen many else wearing red.
Yes, very nice, very good, very well written. Anyone else has written? Anyone else has completed this dialogue writing, beta? Okay, looks like no one has. Come on, hurry up, complete it. Sarthak, Rishabh, Pratyaksh, all of you have to tell. According to you, it is think and answer. You can write any dialogues. Try to create a very interesting dialogue, this thing, exchange of dialogues between them. Do it. You still have 2 minutes for the class to get over.
Ma'am, please wait. I'm just drinking water and coming.
What?
Ma'am, I am going to drink water. I'm just coming.
Ma'am, this is our English creative period.
This was, yes, your English creative period. We were completing the question answers of the wolf and, sorry, the wolf, this thing, the shoemaker and the elves. We were doing question answers of that. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please, we were doing today paragraph writing.
No, we were not doing it. We'll do it tomorrow, beta. We'll do tomorrow. English creative. I'm going to take both the periods of English creative tomorrow. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now we do SST. Answer the following in brief.
Oh, this is not our SST period. This is